A very important inspection that needs to be done at least once a month will be to inspect the fan in the fan housing. Of course, in order to do that, you're probably going to have to get up here and look at the fan real close. Well, of course, whenever you get that, you need to make sure that the engine is not running. Of course, if the keys are in your pocket from both the sweeper and the chassis, that will not be a problem whatsoever. The other thing, of course, is you need to make sure that the safety props are in place when you do this type of inspection. So once you get up here, you look inside the fan, the blades, to make sure that the blades are not wearing out abnormally. An indication that the fan blades are wearing abnormally will be that the end of the blade will be probably taking shape as a knife's edge. If that is the indication, then of course that is a abnormal wear on the fan. And of course it needs to be replaced very soon. So let's take a look and see what you're going to be looking at the inspection that you're going to be doing for the fan. Now, looking through the back side of the fan housing, the thing that you need to be looking for is the edge of the blades. If the edge of the blades are turning to be like a knife's edge, that means the blade is actually wearing abnormally. When that happens, of course, the first thing to do is to replace that fan before it gets too bad. And if it does, then the vibration is going to get worse, and therefore you're going to have bigger problems than you need. Let's look at the hydraulic system for these machines. So what we have here is a 17.5 gallon hydraulic tank, and of course we have two sensors on the hydraulic tank. We've got a temperature sensor, and then of course we have a hydraulic level sensor. Both of those sensors, of course, if they either go bad or actually the reading to where the hydraulic level is low or the hydraulic temperature is getting high, is actually going to shut down your hydraulic system. So therefore, these are the two sensors that control your hydraulic operation. Now, this is your hydraulic manifold. It is a single hydraulic manifold simply because we have a single hydraulic pump that is running the system. Now, here, the front part of the hydraulic manifold, you have the right side broom. You have your three-way valve, you have your lock valve right behind it. Then in the back side of that, we've got the left hydraulic valve, left broom hydraulic valve, the three-way, and then of course the lock valve is right behind. The next one is actually going to be the sweeping head, and then of course the hopper. Now, there is also a spare, or actually an extra valve at the back, just in case that the sweeper will be optionally outfitted for high pressure water system. Now, all these valves, right got a broom, left got a broom, sweeping head, and of course the hopper, anytime that they're energized, there's a light coming on the plug that goes into the valve.